guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Iseehair. Iseehair sent me over this kinky straight wig and I just decided to kind of like press it out. I don't know, it was giving me braiding hair vibes. So yeah, you guys are gonna see me pressing it out today. I'm gonna show you guys what came in the packaging. This wig is a giveaway wig, so just leave a comment down below to be entered into the giveaway to win this wig, and I will have the links to this wig down below if you guys are interested, if this is your type of vibe, if this is your style. This is not really my vibe, but I tried my best to make it look cute. So I'm gonna show you what you will be winning in the giveaway and what came in their packaging. So this is their packaging. It comes in this nice little bag, like a shopping bag. And open it, you have your box. So pretty and pink, like a Barbie. Opens like this. And then it came in this, their packaging is high class. Just rip this off. The paper is like a plastic. So it comes with a head wrap, a bonnet, a set of eyelashes, and a sleeping mask. I'm probably gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this. I'm keeping this. I'm sorry, but I'm keeping it. And then they have their little contact thing, little pamphlet. If you guys want to see me pressing out this wig and how I got it to look like this, because child, it was not looking like this. It was looking like braiding hair. This hair is too full. I feel like it's too full. It's too full. But if that's your vibe, I'll have it linked below. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to comment down below to be entered into the giveaway, and don't forget to check out Iseehair. I will have the links down below if this is your vibe, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.